Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the difference between Boolean AND operator and this AND operator. This is a conditional operator. Very important Java entry question. Please listen to this video. Directly we'll go to the example so that you can understand. So AND conditional operator I'm going to explain first, then the bitwise AND operator I'm going to explain with the example. So here I have a string value and integer value. I'm using here AND operator. That means first this expression will be calculated, that is string value equals to equals to Java interview. If this returns true, then it goes to the second expression. If integer value is equal to 100, if this is also true, true and true, it enters this block, otherwise it will never enter this block. Okay, that's where AND condition comes into picture. So if these two conditions are true, it will enter the block, otherwise it will not enter, to simply say. Let's see the AND bitwise operator. If you see here, integer A 60, integer B 13, what exactly internally happens is it converts into binary, and bitwise AND operation is calculated. Based on the bitwise AND calculation, the values are created. The result will be AND of bitwise AND operation is done. Let's see how exactly works. It works 0 0, I got 0, 0 0, I got 0, 1 0, we got 0, 1 0, again 0. Okay, so bitwise AND operation is done. 1 1 1 we got, 1 1 we got 1, 0 0, again 0, 0 1 0. So in binary you will be getting this value and it is converted into decimal. Let's see, let's debug and check this demo so that we can understand in a better way. So I'm going to check the AND conditional operation. I will check this expression string equals to Java interview. If it returns true, then I'll check int value is equal to 100 or not. Then if these both expressions are true, I'll enter this block. Looks like these two are true. Yes, that's why it is entered this block. So let's see the bitwise operation. It is internally converted into binary, then bitwise AND operation is done for the binary, then the value is assigned to C. Okay, yeah, it got the value 12. So as I explained, it has done the bitwise AND operation and it is calculated in the decimal. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. This is very important. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.